Hello viewers of Kritika's Vision, welcome to yet another episode of my lecture series on history. Today we'll do the Union Judiciary, we'll continue with it, which we have done in previous two videos. Now we'll start with why judiciary is kept independent of control of executive and legislature, that is other two organs of government. So the Supreme Court, we shouldn't forget this, do not only administer justice to the common citizens of India, but also administer justice to state. So in this condition, it needs to be kept independent. Next is, judges' independence is essential for the functioning of a democratic institution, that is our country. Now, an independent judiciary is said to be the first condition for liberty and equality both. So, as Supreme Court is the guardian of the most precious asset of our country, that is democracy and fundamental rights, hence, its being independent is a very important part that should be there. Now, how this is assured? This independence is assured through appointment of judges. Now, the judges, while being appointed, it is a president who shall act on the recommendation of the collegium and thus headed by the Chief Justice of India. Thus, neither the executive, that is the president or the union law ministers or the Chief Justice of India has the full control of appointment of judges in their hands. So, neither it's political bias nor personal favoritism that works here. Next is security of tenure. Now, a judge can be removed by the president on the grounds of proven misbehavior or incapacity on the address of each house of parliament. So, the word proven here is very important. It means that the address can only be presented to the president once the allegation has been thoroughly examined by some impartial tribunal and it is passed by both the houses. Third is regarding salary. Now, salaries of the judges are charged on the Consolidated Fund of India. Now, the salary allowances, whatever the judges get, shall not be varying according as per making them in a disadvantageous condition. So, during their term of office, it is seen that nothing is done to the salary which will further affect their performance. Moreover, they are charged on Consolidated Fund of India and not subject to vote of Parliament. The salaries of judges cannot be reduced except during the period of financial emergency. Next is, we cannot discuss anything regarding the conduct of judges with respect to discharge of his duty. This is something which is not taken as in a good sense. Then punishment for contempt of the court. Now, genuine criticism of a judgment is allowed, but nothing should be done to lower the dignity, authority of the court. So, the Supreme Court has a power to punish somebody who will disrespect it. Now, prohibition of practice after retirement. To assure the impartiality of the Supreme Court and the judges, a retired judge of Supreme Court cannot plead any case in